Hello students, I am again here in biology to explain the next topic, biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Okay, biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances in the next chapter, and the chapter name is our environment. Okay, we are starting here the next chapter, our environment. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Clear? What are the meaning of the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances? Clear? So what have to do here in biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances? So the meaning is clear that in nature some of substances degraded easily by action of microorganism. You can easily see, जैसे हम environment में देखते हैं बहुत सारे, जैसे हम suppose that यहाँ पर peels of vegetables and fruits, बहुत सारे जैसे पेपर्स हैं, फ्रूट्स के जो पील्स हैं, छिलके हैं और जैसे वुड है, तो नेचुरल अगर हम देखें तो दे आर ग्रेजुअली डिग्रेडिंग. देन हाउ कैन डिग्रेडेशन इज पॉसिबल इन इन्वायरमेंट? तो हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में इनको, जैसे ये सारी चीज़ें सपोज दैट आप सपोज करिए कि ये सारी चीज़ें अगर इन्वायरमेंट में ऐसी के ऐसे ही पड़ी रहें तो व्हाट विल बी द फ्यूचर. ओके, सो क्या होता है, ज़्यादा दिनों तक इन्वायरमेंट में इनको इस तरह से छोड़ देने पर ये नेचुरल लेवल पर सड़ना शुरू हो जाते हैं, रॉटिंग इनकी शुरू हो जाती है. तो व्हेन द रॉटिंग इज़ पॉसिबल नेचुरली, तो वाई द रॉटिंग प्रोसेस इज पॉसिबल इन द इन्वायरमेंट एट नेचुरल लेवल? तो दिस इज ओनली पॉसिबल बाय द एक्शन ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट मीन्स माइक्रोब्स, यू नो, फंजाई, क्लियर, बैक्टीरिया, these all microbes degraded these all things. So when the substances which are degraded by action of microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria, those are called biodegradable substances. Now in oppose of these biodegradable substances, some of the substances which are not degraded by action of microorganisms, like you can see here, जैसे there is no any microbe environment like bacteria and fungi, they cannot degrade the glass bottles, the tin or tin bottles, and also the plastic bags. They cannot be degraded by action of microorganisms. Then what will be the future? So they are gradually storing in our surrounding area, and they will be very harmful regarding to the agriculture, because they will start to collect in our agricultural field inside the soil, so they will harmful for our crop plants. Okay, this is the harmful effect. So simply you have to know here the meaning of the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, that if substances are degraded by action of microorganism, and microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, those are called biodegradable. And if in oppose of biodegradable, when the substances are not degraded by action of microorganism, like they are called non-biodegradable substances. Okay, so you know very well about the things of the biodegradable. Like you can see here that biodegradable substances, okay, these are the biodegradable substances. So especially these biodegradable substances, when degraded easily by action of microorganisms, they all can be destroyed. They can all be destroyed by action of microorganisms, like fruits, hairs and papers. But other things like plastic bags, hardwares, computer hardwares and bottles cannot be destroyed, cannot be degraded by action of microorganisms. That's why they all are the non-biodegradable material, non-biodegradable substances. Okay, you can see here also, this is a kind of biodegradable substance, also the definition of biodegradable substances. So here especially you can see and learn here that when the things are degraded or decomposed by action of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi and enzymes. Okay, these all things can easily be degraded by action of microorganisms. if the things are easily degraded by action of microorganisms, called biodegradable substances. Okay, these all things you can see here. Now these all are the non-biodegradable substances as opposed of biodegradable substances. These all things cannot be degraded, cannot be destroyed, cannot be rotted by action of microorganisms. So you can see and you can learn very well the distinction between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. These are also solid wastes. These are not also be degraded by action of microorganisms. That's why non-biodegradable wastes, non-biodegradable substances like plastic bottles and other parts like computer hardware part. Okay, so this is about the description of biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, simply the meaning, and you can know here very well. Okay, still if you have any confusion, then you can discuss with me. Thank you.